Dear students, today we consider exercise 7.2 problem number 4 section formula. By using section formula we have to solve some problems. Find the 4 number problem. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points minus 3,10 and 6,8 is divided by minus 1,6. We have to find ratio. What is the ratio? And 2 points given. These 2 points divided by the line point this. So the figure, original figure will be, this is our figure. This is A point. A point is minus 3,10 and B point given 6, minus 8 and 1 point, this is P minus 1,6. This point divides the line segment in the ratio M1 is to M2. Now our aim to find M1, M2. So this is our problem. Find the ratio, that means M1, M2, in which the line segment joining the points minus 3,10 and 6, minus 8, this line segment divided by this point, P point, this one. So solution, let P minus 1,6 be the point, P minus 6 be the point which divides the line segment AB in the ratio M1 is to M2. We consider the ratio is M1 is to M2. Let P minus 1,6 be the point which divides the line segment, line segment which divides the line segment AB in the ratio M1 is to M2. So here we have some values, x1 equal to minus 3, y1 equal to 10, x2 equal to 6, y2 equal to minus 8 and x equal to minus 1, y equal to 6. By formula of section formula we get these are x1, y1, x2, y2 and x and y. Since by section formula we get x equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 and y equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. We know this formula. This is called section formula. Now putting the ready-made values. Now what is the value of x? X is minus 1. And M1 we don't know. We want to find M1. X2 is 6 plus M2 and X1 is minus 3 and M1 M2 we don't know. We want to find M1 M2, this one. And y equal to, the value of y is 6 and M1 plus M2 remains same in denominator and M1 into y2 is minus 8 plus M2 into y1 is 10. Now we consider this is number 1, this is number 2. We consider 1 and 2. This is number 2 we consider. Now you want to solve one by one. Now 1 implies we want to solve 1. In 1 we multiplying this one in left hand side. Minus 1 into m1 plus m2 equal to 6m1 minus 3m2. So this one multiplying minus m1 minus m2, if we multiplying by minus 1, this equal to 6m1 minus 3m2, and m1 taking left hand side, m2 taking right hand side, we get minus m1 minus 6m1 equal to minus 3m2 plus m2. So this m1 taking left hand side, m2 taking right hand side, so we get this one. This is minus 7m1 minus m1 minus 6m1, this is minus 7m1, and this equal to minus 2m2. We get this one. Now m1 by m2, this is minus 2 by minus 7. So m1 by m2 equal to minus minus cancel, 2 by 7 we get. 2 by 7 we get, so m1 is to m2 equal to 2 by 7. So from equation 1 we get 2 by 7. Again rechecking from 2, what will be the result? 2 implies, in 2 we multiplying this one in left hand side, 6 m1 plus m2 equal to minus m1 minus 8m1 plus 10m2, we get this one. So this one multiplying left hand side, this is minus 8m1 10m2, so this is 6m1 plus 6m2 minus 8m1 plus 10m2, we get this, and m1 taking left hand side and m2 taking right hand side, this is 10m2 minus 6m2. We get this one, 6 and 8, 14. We get 14m1 equal to 10 minus 6 is 4 m2. So m1 by m2 equal to 4 by 14. So m1 by m2 equal to 2 by 7. If we cancelling, then we get 2 by 7. Therefore we get m1 is to m2, we get 2 by 7. From both the equation we get 2 by 7. So if this result is different, suppose from equation 1 we get 2 by 7 and equation 2 we get another result, then your solution is mistake. You have to check, rechecking, ultimately we get the same answer. Therefore the required ratio is 2:7, and this is our answer. So this solution is very easy. Just you have to remember the picture. When you have to solve coordinate geometry, you must remember the picture. What is the picture? What is the figure? You have to remember the figure. Without figure, coordinate geometry is difficult, and if we remember the figure, then we can easily solve any kind of problem. So next we consider problem number 5. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining A 1, minus 5 and B minus 4, 5 is divided by the x-axis. Also find the coordinates of the point of division. Now, so these 2 points are given. These 2 points is divided by the x-axis. Now at what point the x-axis divide the line segment AB? We have to find the point on x-axis and also find the point of division. We have to find point also. Now this one given A point given 1, minus 5, B given minus 4, 5, this one given, and this is, suppose this point P x, 0. On x-axis means x is non-zero, y is 0. If y-axis given, x is 0, y is non-zero. Here given ratio in which the lines are joining the point this and this divided by x-axis. X-axis means x comma 0. You have to remember this one, and we consider ratio is m1 is to m2. The solution, just you have to remember this: if x-axis given, x is non-zero, y is 0. If y-axis is given, then x is 0, y is non-zero. So let p x comma 0 be the point on x-axis which divides AB in the ratio m1 is to m2. We consider this px comma 0 be the point on x-axis which divides AB in the ratio m1 is to m2. So here we get x1 equal to 1, y1 equal to minus 5. So x1 is 1, y1 is minus 5, x2 equal to minus 4, y2 equal to 5. We get this. Since we know the formula of section formula, x equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, and y equal to, this is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. Now we putting the values, x is x given and m1 remains same, x2 means what? Minus 4 plus m2 into x1 is 1 by m1 plus m2. This is the value of x. This is number 1 I consider. Again this one, y is 0 given, and this is m1 plus m2 and m1 into, this is y means both are y, not x. When it is y, then all of these are y. When x, all of these are x. So m1 y2 is 5 plus m2 y1 means minus 5. So we get this. This is number 2 we consider. Now first, this left hand side is x, and this one remains same. We putting this number 2. Now 2 implies, in equation 2 we multiplying this one in left hand side, 0 into m1 plus m2. This is 5m1 minus 5m2. 5m1 minus 5m2, we get this. So this will be 0 into something is 0, and this is 5m1 minus 5m2, and 5m1 equal to 5m2, and m1 by m2, this equal to 5 by 5. So we get this one, m1 by m2 equal to 1 by 1. Therefore m1 is to m2 equal to 1 is to 1. 1 is to 1 we get. Find the ratio is 1 is to 1. Also find the coordinates of the point of division. So coordinate of the point of division means we putting the value m1 m2 putting here. So 1 implies, now 1 implies in 1 x equal to m1 we consider 1 into minus 4 plus m2 also 1, and this is 1 by 1 plus 1. Actually m1 by m2 we can consider k also, then 1k, this 1k, m1 is 1k, m2 is 1k, but directly we can put this one no need to putting k, again you cancel this k, directly we can put this 2 minus 4 plus 1, this is minus 3 by 2. So the value of x we get minus 3 by 2. So what we get, therefore the required ratio is 1:1 and the point is minus 3 by 2 comma 0. This 2 is our answer. So find the ratio means 1:1 and also find the coordinates of point of division. The required coordinate is minus 3 comma 0. This is our complete solution. Just dear students, you have to remember, if this question it may be changed also. Here given divided by x-axis, it may be y-axis. If y-axis, then here write down 0, this is y. Y-axis means y is non-zero, x is 0, and x-axis means x is non-zero, y is 0. Just interchange this. So this is our complete solution. Now I consider problem number 6. If 1, 2, 4, y, x, 6 and 3, 5 are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order, find x and y. So these are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order. Then we have to find x and y. This x and y, what is the value? Now we putting these points here, a here, b, c, d. We putting in this way, and we draw two diagonals, and diagonals they are intersect at the point P. So first we write down. First we want to write, let the vertices be a 1, 2, b 4, y, c x, 6 and d 3, 5. These points we putting this in this parallelogram. But we know the formula, one theorem, the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. We know that the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. That means P is the midpoint of AC, P is the midpoint of BD also, because they are bisect each other. This length equal to this length and this length equal to this length. So obviously P is the midpoint of AC, P is the midpoint of BD. Therefore midpoint of AC equal to midpoint of BD. So midpoint of AC equal to midpoint of BD. Now what is midpoint? Midpoint of AC. Midpoint means this plus this dividing by 2, this plus this dividing by 2. That means 1 plus x by 2, 2 plus 6 by 2. 1 plus x by 2, 2 plus 6 by 2. And here we get midpoint of BD, this 4 plus 3 by 2 and y plus 5 by 2. This is the rule of midpoint, this plus this dividing by 2, this plus this dividing by 2. Now this will be 1 plus x by 2, this is 8 by 2, this is 8 by 2, and this is 7 by 2, and this one y plus 5 by 2. So this is an ordered pair, this is another ordered pair. Two ordered pairs will be equal if first element equal to first, second equal to second. So we can write 1 plus x by 2, equal to 7 by 2 and 8 by 2 equal to y plus 5 by 2 we get. And this 2 cancel, 1 plus x equal to 7 and x equal to 7 minus 1, this is 6. And this 2 cancel, we get 8 equal to y plus 5 and 8 minus 5 equal to y and y equal to we get 3. Therefore we get x equal to 6 and y equal to 3. This 2 is our answer. So dear students, answer is gradually increase. If this answer is very big, then this represent today's stop here. This is the ending ceremony today. So I think this solution is very easy. If this solution is easy, you are feeling easy, this solution is very easy, then please subscribe my channel, like this video and do not forget to click the bell icon. Thanks.